My name's Beth and I'm about to graduate from the University of South Wales studying fashion design. So my graduate project was about the sports bra. My main focus was the sports bra, and then I took that research and combined it with trend research to make it into a project about function versus aesthetic. So I combined minimalist, maximalist aesthetics with function and form and the female form. The biggest challenge of my year was probably living up to my own expectations, because I went into the year knowing that I wanted to do a certain thing, and then trying to actually live up to that was really hard, because you're constantly picking at what you're doing and is it good enough? I could be doing this. So my future plans after university consist of a few things. So firstly, I'm about to start a new job as a sportswear designer for a brand that I interned with last year. So that was a big part of my plan. So that's kind of my short-term plan, as I would like to get some more experience in the industry. But then something that I really, really want to do is pursue my sports bra research. I don't exactly know how yet, but I want to take it further, whether that be a master's or starting my own business doing something, but I would really like to do that. And then I would really like to start my own business one day. So my advice for future fashion design final year students would be to enjoy it and put your all into it, because it's not even a year, it's less than a year. So just put your everything into it, because it'll be worth it in the end. And when you have graduate fashion week, and all the benefits will start to come, and you'll be proud of what you've done, rather than think, oh, I wish I should have done that, or I could have worked harder in that sense. And so I would say push yourself as much as you can, and also put yourself forward for every opportunity, because even if you don't think you're going to win, because I said that every single time, well, I'm not going to win, but I'll just try it anyway, and then you'd be surprised what actually happens.